Hey guys, thanks for joining me for another video here at Ground Zero Airsoft. Today our team's objective is to defend 2 rockets at the meth camp from an attacking team. At this time I was trying to defend this ridge where the enemy team was trying to flank us from.
Hit! Isn't it out of bounds up there?
I thought the boundary of the field was 10 feet in front of me, but it was actually 20 feet further up. After the respawn, I decided to flank the enemies from the location I was killed previously.
Sorry, brother.
It's okay though.
You're good to go. You guys can go.
Thank you.
Good.
Thank you. I didn't know you ran me. I saw you. I was like, hey, is that funny?
I think we're dead.
Yeah. It took me a long time to get here,
You
but
shot me in the bare ass. I didn't know you were enemy. I saw you, and I was like, hey, is that enemy? Then
yeah, I heard you talking. I was like, all right, I'm gonna go take him out.
I got peppered the fuck up. That was a nice shot.
Yeah, I don't even know if I actually did like 50 times my life.
I'm sorry.
Dude, no chill.
Hey.
Wait, you're on the other team, right?
Yeah,
That's not the other team.
Yeah. So,
he's dead, right?
no, you touched us. So once
Yeah.
you touched us, we're dead.
Yeah.
Yeah, we just go back.
Yeah, dude, he's not reviving us. He's on the other team. If
Yeah, I'm on the other team.
dead.
You guys are all dead.
Yeah, you have to go back to the spawn.
Moments after meeting with my teammates up on Kafir Hill, I was taken out by an enemy player. the player, but he just didn't know where the shots were coming from. Moments after, our team was successful in holding off the attackers and the game was called.
It was good while it lasted.